Demystifying ISF, Navigating Machinery and Industrial Equipment Imports. Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we will be discussing an important topic for importers: the ISF requirements for importing machinery and industrial equipment. As a customs broker, it's crucial to understand these requirements to ensure a smooth and compliant import process. So, let's dive right into it. Introduction to ISF. Before we delve into the specific requirements for machinery and industrial equipment imports, let's provide a brief overview of the Importer Security Filing, ISF. The ISF is an electronic filing required by U.S. Customs and Border Protection, CBP, for most ocean shipments arriving in the United States. ISF purpose. The primary purpose of the ISF is to enhance the security of the international supply chain and enable CBP to identify potential high-risk shipments before they reach the U.S. ports. ISF 10+2 Rule. The ISF requires importers to provide information related to the shipment at least 24 hours before the goods are loaded onto the vessel. This requirement is often referred to as the 10+2 Rule, as it mandates 10 data elements from the importer and 2 data elements from the carrier. Filing the ISF. As an importer of machinery and industrial equipment, you need to ensure that the ISF is filed accurately and timely. It is typically the responsibility of the importer or their customs broker to submit the ISF. Data elements for ISF. The 10 data elements required for the ISF include the manufacturer, supplier information, seller information, buyer information, container stuffing location, consolidator information, if applicable, importer of record information, consignee information, ship to party, HTS US number, and the country of origin. Avoiding penalties. Failure to comply with ISF requirements can result in significant penalties, including fines and shipment delays. As a customs broker, it's crucial to work closely with your client to ensure all necessary information is provided in a timely manner. Harmonized System (HS) codes. When importing machinery and industrial equipment, it is essential to accurately classify your goods using the Harmonized System (HS) codes. These codes are used to determine the applicable duties, taxes, and regulations. Duties and tariffs. Understanding the specific duties and tariffs applicable to machinery and industrial equipment imports is crucial to avoid any unexpected costs. Work closely with your client to determine the correct classification and tariff rates. Customs bond requirements. In addition to the ISF, importers of machinery and industrial equipment may be required to obtain a customs bond. A customs bond acts as a financial guarantee to CBP, ensuring that all duties, taxes, and fees are paid. Types of customs bonds. There are various types of customs bonds available, including single-entry bonds, continuous bonds, and foreign trade zone bonds. Depending on the frequency and volume of your imports, you may need to choose the most suitable option. Managing documentation. Accurate and organized documentation is essential for a streamlined customs brokerage process. Ensure that all necessary documents, such as commercial invoices, packing lists, and bills of lading, are readily available for the customs clearance process. Compliance with industrial standards. Machinery and industrial equipment imports often need to comply with specific industrial and safety standards. Ensure that your client's goods meet these requirements to avoid potential rejections or delays at the port of entry. Strategic warehousing solutions. Consider partnering with warehousing and distribution providers that offer strategic locations near major ports. This can help streamline the movement of your client's machinery and industrial equipment, reducing transit times and mitigating potential storage costs. Simplifying complex processes. Navigating the customs brokerage process for machinery and industrial equipment can be complex. By partnering with an experienced and knowledgeable customs broker, importers can simplify the process and ensure compliance with all relevant regulations. Staying updated with regulations. As a customs broker, it's crucial to stay informed about any changes or updates to customs regulations, including ISF requirements and import duties. Regularly review CBP publications and industry resources to ensure you are up to date. Working with trusted partners. Establishing strong relationships with trusted partners such as customs brokers, freight forwarders, and logistics providers is essential for the success of importing machinery and industrial equipment. Collaboration and effective communication are key. Post-import audits. Conducting regular post-import audits can help identify any compliance gaps and rectify them in a timely manner. This proactive approach can mitigate potential issues and maintain a high level of compliance. Seeking professional assistance. If you are unsure about the ISF requirements for importing machinery and industrial equipment, it is always best to seek professional assistance from a licensed customs broker or trade expert. Continuous learning. The customs brokerage industry is constantly evolving, and it's crucial to continuously educate yourself on new regulations, technologies, and industry best practices. Stay committed to learning and improving your knowledge base. Thank you for watching our video on the ISF requirements for importing machinery and industrial equipment. We hope you found this information helpful. Stay tuned for more informative videos on customs brokerage, customs bonds, and international trade. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel to stay updated with our latest content. Until next time, happy importing!